Title: Decision-Making Strategies of Successful Entrepreneurs. Intro: You're planning to start your own business, but how do you make important decisions to ensure its success? In this video, we'll explore the decision-making strategies of successful entrepreneurs and what you can learn from them. Define decision-making. When making decisions, entrepreneurs use a systematic approach to evaluate options. Decision-making is the process of choosing the best course of action from available alternatives. Think of it like navigating a road with multiple routes. You choose the one that leads you to your destination. Analyze your goals before making a decision. Entrepreneurs set clear goals for their business. What do you want to achieve? What problems do you want to solve? When setting goals, use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Gather information. Entrepreneurs gather relevant information to make informed decisions. This includes market research, customer feedback, and industry trends. Think of it like researching a new product. You want to understand its features, pricing, and target audience. Weigh the options. When faced with multiple options, entrepreneurs weigh the pros and cons of each. This involves creating a decision matrix, where you list the advantages and disadvantages of each choice. For example, choosing between two marketing channels, social media or email marketing. Consider your risk tolerance. Entrepreneurs also consider their risk tolerance when making decisions. Are you willing to take calculated risks, or do you prefer to play it safe? This involves assessing the potential consequences of each option. Review and reflect. After making a decision, entrepreneurs review and reflect on their choice. Did it align with their goals? Was it successful? This step helps identify areas for improvement and adjusts future decision-making. Adapt and learn. Entrepreneurs are adaptable and willing to learn from their mistakes. This involves being open to new information and adjusting their decision-making process as needed. It's like adjusting a map. You update your route based on new information. Conclusion. In conclusion, successful entrepreneurs use a systematic approach to make informed decisions. They set clear goals, gather information, weigh options, consider risk tolerance, review and reflect on their choices, and adapt to new information. Remember, decision-making is a skill that can be developed with practice. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more business tips and strategies. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite decision-making tip.